Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Crystal Chanel, and today we are going to be testing out a new flat iron that I got. It's not new to the scene, but it's new to me. And I'm excited because this flat iron is kind of pricey, but Ulta had it on sale. And with that being said, I went ahead and picked it up. So the flat iron that I am speaking of today is going to be this Babyliss. I think this is the Pro. Let me not lie to y'all. Let me grab it. Okay, I'm back. So this is the brand right here, Babyliss Pro. Is the Nano Titanium Prima 3000. So I picked that up from Ulta. They had it on sale for a really good price. I'm going to test it out, see if I like it. And yeah, I didn't need another flat iron, but you know how that goes. So here we are. I've always been a bit afraid of this flat iron because yes, this part does get hot. And so I've always been afraid of this because I have a tendency of touching my flat iron in this area. So we're going to see how this actually works. It did come with a little mini glove. I may have to use that, but I'm going to try not to. And to start, I have it set to 380 degrees because my hair is pretty fine. So I don't need much heat. But we're going to test this out and see exactly how it works out for me.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah.
All right, so I finished just doing a straight flat iron on it, and I am now just gonna go around the perimeter and just bump the ends a little bit just to make it look a little bit more tamed and give it that wrapped look. And then we will pretty much be done. I think that I am gonna push the heat down to 380 to curl my ends just because I don't need that much heat on my hair. And we'll be done. So let's go ahead and just bump the ends. ahead and take my Verb Ghost Dry Oil and just lightly spray my hair all over. Comb that through. And now we have a nice, sleek, flat iron silk press look. Let me know what you all think in the comments. Do you all have this flat iron? I kind of like it, but I mean, could my Chi do the same thing? I'm sure it could. So I'm not sure if I'll take that back or not. We're gonna see, but here's a back view. This is my hair for the week. Let me know if you like this video. Again, comment below if you have this flat iron. How do you feel about it? How has it held up for you? Is it worth the money? Should I return it? I don't know what to do. I do like the way my hair came out. It does have a very professional look about it, but it's not always about the tools, right? It is about your technique and how you take care of your hair also. So I'm gonna think a little bit on this and see if I wanna keep this flat iron or if I'm just gonna add that to my arsenal of flat irons that I have. And I will see you all later. Thank you all for checking out my video and flat ironing my hair with me, and I will see you next time. Bye.